Hey friends, a lot of users are asking when did Windows 7 come out, although I would say that it should have been considered obsolete by now, but since people are asking, let us search for that. Okay, so it was launched on 22nd October 2009, and as of present it is out of support. A lot of users are still using Windows 7 because they liked it. It was one of the easiest operating systems to use. So this is still being used by a lot of people, but its final release was on January 2023, and it is not supported now. You won't get any security updates for it. If you're using Windows 7, I will suggest you to upgrade to Windows 11, since Windows 10 is also going to be out of support very soon. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.